Ula Unai Munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua yuyansie Kana Kindu Kyonthe Kimukitikia ula Wailite Kutulw'a Muti ni Musumbi William Ruto. Aineena na Andiki Mauvoo Musyini wa Ilovi Gachagua Niwavithua Kana Iyoo Wakyumwa Nukwatie Maovoo kana Maovisa ma Volisi Nimaendeeye kusimana nake itawake kuthi huthaithini kisioni cha Gatanga kaunti ya Murang'a na kana manai na muvango wa kumwikisia nzeve ya 10 methoi yikitwe sumu. Joseph Kitheka nukuelesya.
Itina wanzeke kumbuka muthenyani wa Iyoo kana vene vangu wa kumwikia mbini ulone munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua aikonaniwa na ndeto ila ukuwetekana unane ni itonya kuthuthuria usakwani ukite yuko munthi ni weyumilia na kurevyo wanda kana Thayu wake we Muisyoni. Gachagua numbula kana muthenyani wa Iyoo ekanisa ningaliko cia Murang'a nunakwatie ripoti kana Maovisa ma kuma kitengoni kivothukanio cia Volisi tamana nengetwe mwiao wa kumina nake indi mamanyachu na mavituka miteko isu kwivo kwenda ikiwanda wa sina sumu cia kumutunducia wiseithia akili yake Iyoo thukuma nesa.
I received intelligence reports that President William Ruto had ordered that I be dealt with once and for all. And since the goons sponsored by the state on several occasions had failed, police and other state security agencies had to come in. At about 11 a.m., same Sunday, 18th May 2025, this information was communicated to the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, and the Director of Criminal Investigations by the CS Interior Kipchumba Murkomen, and consequently, a killer squad composed of 101 lethal and dreaded officers from the administration police and seconded to the National Intelligence Service, accompanied by officers from the DCI, the Anti-Terrorism Police Unit, the General Service Unit, and the regular police were deployed. The killer squad was joined by their counterparts who are highly trained in the use of biological weapons. Their instructions were to poison me through inhaled chemicals that would paralyze my brain within 3 months.
Kwenana na Gachagua muthenyani wa Iyoo asungi make ni manatatie kutumia nzia ingi nikenda kuikithia ni mamuvicha musyi kwake Karen Ilovi meleluka isu inekitwe vala muvango une mavikavu maveno mavuti ala matumia kumusunga nikenda kutetheesya kwikiwa mbini kwake kwa nzia ya ulaisi unakwitha asungi ala musunga metha makimbene matema serikali.
We have credible information that President Ruto has directed that my private security personnel be disarmed and be targeted for withdrawal of their licenses so that they can leave me vulnerable to allow room for goons to attack and possibly eliminate me. President William Ruto has expressed ungovernable anger that the state-sponsored goons are being overpowered by my private security personnel who are licensed gun holders.
Ni watalania maundu onde ala mamukitikite kuma avetango kivilani makwikia Thayu wake Muisyoni kuvithuke wa siathini kivathukanio indi kufikia umunthi vai mundu ona umwe wa isa ikiwambini kusungia makulio asu.
Let it be known that our party DCP has organic support and we do not pay supporters to attend our meetings the way the government is doing to people to attend their meetings. Let me assure the planners of this violence that you will not stop the cause of the people of Kenya. The one-term movement and the DCP party popularity will not be stopped and will not be slowed down. Wasting time and resources to stop me is a zero-sum game. The people of the Republic of Kenya have said that lies must stop, roads must be built, corruption must stop, abductions and extrajudicial killings must stop. Education and health systems must work.
Kavina nikawa isungia ikulio ya kana vena valua ona umwitite kufika mawikaloni ma movea wa DCA kukulwa makulio ni watakana ndana isa ona valua ona na ketha serikali ni kumwenda ni isa mawikalo make oonde kwa umoke mamukwatevu na kumusikati ya ketha nimeona ena mavitio wikite.
The drama of waylaying us on roads should be stopped. If the government knows that I've committed a crime known under the laws of Kenya and identified in the penal code, they know all my homes and I'm here. They know my Wamanyoro home. They don't need to lay me on the road. Let them just come here, and if you have committed a crime, they can come and arrest me.
Joseph Kitangiri vote vilingi wa Mauvoo Mutongoi TV.